might just chuck everything on the ground. Actually really scared to open this bag. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is PJ and I hopefully upload videos every week. I'm just getting back into the swing of things, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button because it's free and we all love free. So today's video I didn't actually plan on filming, but here we are. Today's video is a Boohoo haul. And Boohoo, if you don't know, is like a online clothing store that has really affordable clothes. I've shopped there maybe 4 or 5 times in the past and I'm really happy with their clothes. Some of it is a little bit cheaper made than others, but I don't usually buy expensive clothes anyway, so I'm fine with that. So I'll insert a little clip here of what happened. So I've just woken up. I'm super hungover. I got really drunk last night. I had this notification on my phone from Boohoo. And apparently I went shopping last night. As you can see, I was super drunk, ordered all these clothes that were in my wish list. So you can add things to your cart and then put a little love heart on it and add it to your wish list, and it's there until you want to remove it or buy it. And I just bought everything that was in my wish list. Thankfully, I put things in my wish list that were actually my size, so hopefully all these things fit. I haven't actually looked to see what's in here. Do you know that I put things in my wish list? I just can't remember what the heck was in there. So let's dive into it. This is the ribbed halter neck strappy mini bodycon dress in black, and I got a size 14 and that one was $14. I did get 50% off because they were having 50% off at the time, so it ended up being $7. So this is what the dress looks like. Just has a halter neck and it doesn't have any zips, so it goes on in one section. It is a little bit see-through, but I'm sure if I was wearing like a bra and some Spanx you wouldn't even notice. The next thing is the matte leather look seam strappy bodysuit in black, and this is a size 14 also, and it was $16, but that's half price, so it was originally $32. Don't know why that took me so long. And ooh, I like this. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a bathing suit. It's got really thin straps. It's again quite stretchy for like fake leather. It's got a clasp, and in the photo it doesn't actually show whether it had a clasp, so I was quite worried about that. But very happy that it does come in 2 separate pieces. This is the pinstripe chain cargo pants black in a size 16, and these were originally $45. I got them again half price for $22.50. Boohoo does have a section for like Boohoo and then Boohoo Curve, which is like plus size clothing. These were in the original Boohoo. They did go up to size 16. This is what they look like. They got a chain detail and they just go all the way down to the bottom, and they've got like those cuffed pants. They've got pockets in them. And the pockets are real. I'm super happy that they come with a chain. I'm like a kid that gets excited over the bag and not the present, which I actually did when I was younger. I really wanted one of those pink like Supre bags, and for Christmas Mum bought me like heaps of clothes from Supre, and I didn't even look at the clothes. I was just excited for the Supre bag, and yeah. So this one is the Lace and Bow Baby Doll Black. It's basically just like a lingerie dress. I just got this because none of my lingerie dresses fit me now that I've like put on weight, and even though I'm hoping to lose the weight, still I really like food, so I'm not counting on it. It was originally $26. I got it for $13. I didn't want the bra section to be like really contained, but yeah, I won't be able to show you this on because it's like really see-through, but it just has little triangle cups like this, and it's just like a chiffon sort of material all the way down, and it's super stretchy around the bust as well, which is good because my stomach is usually like where most of the chub is. So far so good. I actually thought like majority of the stuff I bought was just going to be like stuff for when I'm thin. Does anyone else do that? Like they put clothes in like their wish list and they're like, oh, when my body looks a certain way, I'll buy them. This is the Plus Mix and Match soft loop back lounge shorts in black in the size 16. My bum is like the biggest thing on me, so hopefully these fit my bum, but I just wanted these to like lounge around the house in. These were originally $18, but they came down to $9. These were in the curve section, which is their plus size, and they've got pockets. Next thing I definitely can't show on camera, but it's the high waist control thong in black. So I got a size large. It comes in small, medium and large. This is what it looks like. It's super high-waisted. Like, oh my god, I can't even show all of it like on camera. And the thong's like not really small. It's quite thick. I don't like when you kind of like lose it up there. It's super stretchy and it's pretty good material. I'm excited to try these on. I won't be able to show you on camera, but so far so good. They look pretty much identical to my other ones that I used to love, except they're like so much more high waist, which is like awesome. So the next thing I got is the basic square neck top in grey marl, size 14. This was originally $9. I got it for $4.50. I do remember why I bought this. I literally just wanted a plain singlet that had like thick straps, because I feel like when you're a bit bigger, thin straps can kind of get lost like in everything that's going on. And this is what it looks like. It's just a plain grey top, really basic. I obviously got a pair of jeans. These ones are called the Plus Annie All Over Ripped 7/8 jeans. So 7/8. I don't know why. Oh my god. These are in the color blue and in a size 16. These were $63 and I got them for $31.50, and these are in the plus curve section. They have that, they kind of smell like chlorine. This is what they look like. They've just got rips and they're cuffed at the bottom and it's not sewn, which is good. I like how you've got the choice. I'm excited to try these on. I don't have like a really comfy pair of like jeans. I wear leggings like 24/7. And the last thing I got was the Plus Snaky Slogan t-shirt in black. It was originally $18 and I got it for $9. So this is what it looks like. Just says Nike on it and it's just a plain black t-shirt. So that was everything that I got from Boohoo whilst I was intoxicated. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did and you would like to see some more content from me, please subscribe. It's free. As I said at the start of the video, everybody loves free stuff, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye. I didn't actually plan on filming. Oh no. Anyway.